we are back at a different register, listening to a different set of promises, and lather, rinse, and repeat. Everyone's skin functions in the same way. Skin cells in the outer layer of skin, or the epidermis, form in the deeper layer of the epidermis, and as they mature, they die and move to the most superficial layer. The dead skin cells on the surface are then naturally exfoliated. In your youth, this cycle allows for the epidermis to create a protective barrier that not only prevents invaders like bacteria, chemicals, and viruses from entering, but it also prevents moisture from escaping. Your epidermis is responsible for moisture production and retention. A healthy epidermis looks radiant and supple. As we age, this natural exfoliation cycle slows tremendously from about 14 days in children to 100 days in your 60s. What we see with that slowing is dry, flaky skin and less natural moisture production. The deeper layer of skin, the dermis, functions to keep your skin strong, firm, and smooth. In your youth, the dermis is thick and robust with collagen and elastin. Somewhere in your mid-30s, natural collagen and elastin production cease, revealing fine lines, large pores, deeper wrinkles, and saggy skin. The deepest layer of skin, the hypodermis, is your padding to keep you warm and protect your internal tissues and organs. In children, this looks like round, plump cheeks. In our early 20s, we lose the baby fat and gain our more mature adult face, which is the beginning of aging. This process continues as we age and we lose more fat, which is especially noticeable in the face with circles under the eyes, hollowing of the cheeks, and sunken temples. These changes make us look more tired. Unfortunately, at this time, there are no topical skincare products that can help maintain the fatty layer of skin. However, the epidermis and the dermis can be easily cared for with the right topical ingredients in your skincare routine. As you can see, everyone's skin is the same. Yes, some people produce more natural oils or have thinner skin, but caring for the basic needs first is how you're going to have your best skin. It does not matter if your skin is oily, acneic, aging, combo, dry, happy, sad, or anywhere in between. Knowing this makes skincare very simple. Find the best products that you can afford in these areas and your skin will look great from the inside out.